Let's look at the subsequent one, which is to suggest an alternative method. You can do this proficiently. So find the exact value of this. So I'm just going to copy that down first. So 0, 1, ex minus 1 over ex plus 1 dx, right? Is it okay? So I think that's pretty okay. So once that's done, what we're going to do is actually just trying to split this up. I understand that this may be a bit like difficult, but because now we can't use the substitution, and actually by splitting it up, what you can tell that is that this would be able to do cancelling method straight. Okay, so those of you who refer to the notes, you'll be able to tell that this is a cancelling method. But this over here, if referring to the notes as well, need rearrangement. Okay, so this one need to be rearranged. So your answer for this last part should be equals to what we found previously. Anyway, you could actually check your answer. Just make sure that you use your calculator to check your answer. Okay, you can actually just key in calculator to see whether your answer is correct. I forgot to mention that. So what we could do is just go to math. Use this expression here. Especially this kind of question, you could just use this. Alright, to just evaluate whether your answer is correct. So key in whatever you found here and key in whatever is here, it should tally. Now this case here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it up. So this part here will be like 0, 1, ex plus 1. So this is my u. Dx minus, this will be 0, 1 over e. This needs rearrangement because you can't possibly integrate this straight. So what you do is just multiply with e minus x. Okay, now then the next question would be, how would you know? Then my answer to that is just keep practicing, and you'll be able to see this. You have to be able to tell this is like quite a common expression in H2 mathematics, right? Where you have 1 over ex plus 1, you need to know that you need to rearrange it as such so that this then can use cancelling method. So this is cancelling method. You can actually use cancelling method here. So I'm going to use cancelling method. Okay, please refer to the notes. I am not going to, okay, maybe I should just, u is here, right? It's du, right? This is ex, cancel, right? So it'll be ln u. So this one I'm going to get is ln ex plus 1, 1, 0. This over here, remember, if you, maybe a side note here, cancelling method here will be e minus x u du. This is u minus e minus x, cancel away. This will be 1 over u du, which is actually minus ln u. Okay, so that's the case there. So what I'm going to get is actually negative ln 1 plus e minus x, 1, 0. There you go. Once done, we're going to just substitute ln e1 plus 1 minus ln e0, which is 1 plus 1. I'm just going to 1 plus 1 like that. That's cool. And then after which we're going to get ln 1 plus e minus 1 minus of I. I'm just going to absorb this negative in out, okay? So this would be just plus. So this will be ln 1 plus e0. Ta-da! Okay, great. So once this is done, it will be ln 1 plus e minus ln 2 plus ln 1 plus 1 over e minus ln 2 as well. Goodness. Okay, great. So this is minus ln 2 here. So minus ln 4. Ln 1 plus e plus ln e. Ln 2 minus ln 2 will be minus ln 2, right? So it'll be ln 2 times 2, but okay, maybe I should just e plus 1 over e here. This is ln 2. Okay, there you go. I suspect that this is the same expression as this. There's a minus 1 here, so how do I get negative 1 there? Negative 1, I think you could just leave it as such. It's fine. 1 plus e times 1 plus e over e. Oh yeah, there I see the negative 1. This e here is negative 1 minus ln 2, 4. There you go. So this e is negative 1 here. So let me just rearrange this part here. It's just rearrangement, okay? So there's ln, what do I rearrange? Yep. 1 plus e square over e4. The 4 will be below. So this is ln 1 plus e2 square minus ln e, which is actually 2 ln 1 plus e over 2 minus 1. Actually, you don't need to rearrange. You can just leave it as it is. I think it's pretty okay. So that's how we do this question here proficiently. Now, any question, please let us know. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question. Bye.